Wow, you can't believe some of the trades that we just had on EVHC. That's right. Let's take a look at these. Here's what was in pre-market now. I'm just going to tell you about a few of them. I got in long right here, and then I got out up here, and that was for 10.7%. Got in long again right here. It shot up, and then that was for 6.2%. It broke out. It got in long again. Took out half when it was stalling up here above $33. And then I stopped out on the second half for 2.2% on the third trade. So that's 3 trades for 19.1% in the first 30 minutes before the market opened. Wow. Then we started to look in the Grok day trading chat room here for our trades. And while that was happening, some of our members picked up on it was falling. As soon as it broke down there, many of them got short on that in the pre-market, and it dropped down. That was a 5% trade for most of them, and then just before the market opened, they decided they would get out because you don't want to trade when the market opens. You never know what's going to happen. So there it is. So now the market opened here on that, right there on that line, and it's going. So, and I didn't want to tell you about those, but I want to show you another trade that happened. In fact, I'm going to tell you about a trade that not only I had, but one of our members had. Wahid. I was on break at this time. We traded it several times here as it was falling. And then I was on a break, and right here it was in a symmetrical triangle, and some of our members set a trade just above that 50 moving average, and one of them was Wahid, and he got in right here at 27.30. He is now long on that. I came back from break and had missed that entry, but now it was starting to high base here, so I went ahead and I entered in my trade here at 27.80 area. Boom, and we're playing here. So don't want to focus so much on this trade as it went up here, and I just followed my stop up here, and then it stopped me out right here for 1.75%, and then it pulled back right here to that 20 moving average and that 200 moving average, and I'm still in it, I'm out of it, but Wahid was still in it. It bounced off of that area, and I got long again on this bull pullback here, and I always follow this up. Now again, I'm long here at 28.07. Look at it go here. Now it stalled right here, so I took out half at 29.20 for 1.8% on the first half of this second trade for me. Wahid is still in it. Look at this go. Look at it go. Now it's right basing here at the $30 mark here, even $1.30, but basing on top of it. Bringing my stop up, following it along here, managing our stops, and then it took off again. Now above $31, but look how far it is extended away from this 8 EMA. So we're pulling our stops up along this 8 EMA. Here's now 11:30, and things are starting to slow down in the markets as people go to lunch. We put our stops just below the $31 mark, and sure enough, bam, it fell down here. Stopped me out here, and Wahid as well. So for my trade, I stopped out at 30.92 for 7.8% on the second half. So for my second trade here, that total trade was for 4.8%. However, let's take a look at what Wahid did. Look at it. He was in all the way back here, and he stayed in the entire time, and then he stopped out his full lot size for a record trade for him for 13.5%. Woo, doggies, go Wahid. Well, that's it. If you want to join the day trading chat room, you can. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com, up here to day trading chat room, and you can go to the page. Now you can register for a free webinar here. It gives you some secrets to day trading, but then it also will give you a super special offer to come and join us. If you'd like to do that at a ridiculously low price, can't believe Des is doing that, but if you want to do that, do it right there. Just remember, at the Grok day trading chat room, we look for high probability trades, not low probability gambles. Trade well.